Hi everyone, welcome back to Makeup Obsession's YouTube channel. My name is Rachel, aka Ukafrolista. Today we're going to have some fun with the new Makeup Obsession So Lit Highlight Palette. The So Lit palette features 9 highlighter shades ranging from goldens to pinks. There's a few holographic tones in there, some shimmery silvers, which are perfect for every skin tone. Make sure you check the description box down below for all the products I'm going to use in today's video. So Lit palette is available to purchase from revolutionbeauty.com and at Boots online and in store. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge like and hit that notification bell so you do not miss any videos from us. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways to use the So Lit palette. 1, to achieve a subtle glow, 2, to achieve a beaming glow, and 3, different areas that you can use the So Lit palette on your body and face. First, I'm going to show you how to achieve a subtle glow. So when it comes to highlighting, the way that I figure out where I want to place the highlighter is where the light naturally reflects on my skin. So as my face moves, you can see the areas where the light is moving around on my face. Those are the areas that I'm going to highlight today. Highlight my cheekbone area here, just above my eyebrow on my temple, under my eyebrow, down the center of my nose, my forehead area, and above my cupid's bow and under my lip and chin area. To achieve a subtle glow, I'm going to use my fingers because I like to apply highlighter with my finger because I can diffuse it and blend it into the skin a bit better than using a brush. So first we're going to start off with Glow Up, and this is a nice golden bronzy shimmery shade. So I'm going to start by applying this on the high points of my cheekbones, and just above my eyebrow, just where the bone is. That's a really nice area to highlight. So I'm going to take it down the nose area and on my forehead, just above my cupid's bow, and the chin area. So that is how I achieve a subtle glow. It's very simple, very easy, and just gives you an added glow to the skin. Next up is the beaming glow. Now this is where you can get fun, creative, mix, layer, do whatever you want with these colors. So I'm going to layer 2 colors to achieve a beaming glow. I want the color to be a bit more intense for the beaming glow. I'm going to use a fluffy blusher brush. And I'm going to start with the colour Maximum and just pack that onto the high points of my face once again. And because we're doing a beaming glow, you can just keep layering and layering and layering until you want to stop, if you want to stop. But we're going to keep going. Look how pretty that colour is. I'm going to layer Drama on top, just on the cheek areas. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. I'm going to use Drama on my temple area as well. Ooh. Can we just have a moment of silence for this gorgeous situation going on here. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm also going to highlight just above my Cupid's bow using the shade Spark, just to enhance the shape of my lips. And as you can see, it's defined my Cupid bow area. Now I'm going to show you different ways you can use the So Lit palette on your body and different areas of your face. So I'm going to add lightening to the inner corners of my eyes. Another area that you can add highlighter to is your lips. If you place highlighter in the center of your lips, it will give the appearance of fuller and plumper lips. So we're going to apply the shade Alive to the center. Press them together. Another area that you can add highlights to is the collarbone, the décolletage. The key tip I have for when you want to apply highlighter to the skin is to apply oil first, then put the highlighter on top. It will help to stick to your skin and give you a better glow. And use the shade Glow Up. Those are the 3 ways that you can use a So Lit palette to go from just a little bit to so lit. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you tag Makeup Session in all of your photos and videos using this palette. I want to see how you go from just a little bit to so lit also. And don't forget, all the products that I used in today's video will be in the description box down below. Make sure that you subscribe, like, give us a big thumbs up, and notification bell. And until next time, bye.